Today I will be introducing the Anicekiss hair products. They're handmade, as you can see. They're on production as we speak. It's a teapot hair. As you can see, it's natural color. It's tangle free and it's very good quality, which I guarantee. The lace is good. The hair is of good quality and it's a very affordable. As you can see, it's a handmade wigs. They do different kind of hair and it's of great quality and it's very affordable and cheap. They do different kind of styles, different color. Depending on what you like and what you want, it's what you get. They have been in business for a year, and I would like to recommend them to you to use them anytime you want. They courier everywhere, depending on the country you are at. Whether you're at America or UK, there will be just a hand click. These are products that will be delivered to America, and you just have to order, whether online, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, just anywhere. As you can see, they're on production and they're doing a pretty good job. I guarantee them and I recommend them to you. Thank you for working with us.